Okay everyone, hi. I'm going to do a quick tutorial how to set your arm up with the weight and the thing called bias or anti-skating. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put your arm in there for a second. Now, if you have a thing for raising and lowering your arm, lower it like you're playing a record. Go to this wheel here or anything that you have to set your bias or anti-skating and set that to 0. Okay, now if we look back here, you see this scale that moves around. This moves independently, except when I move the weight, it takes the scale with it. Okay, so this is what we're going to use. We're going to balance this arm to 0 so it's floating, and then we can add our weight. Okay, so we go like this. Get this out of here and just hang on to that here loosely. You'll see what happens. So now it's heavier this end. So now I'm going to twist this weight, which will move it backwards until we get this to float. Okay, so let's go back here. Still too heavy, still too heavy. Getting lighter. Still too heavy. Okay, nearly floating now. Hang on. That's about it. Oh, maybe a tiny bit more back. Okay, this is going neither up nor down, yeah? It's floating, it's level. The weight at the back is equal to the weight at the front. So now we go back to this scale and we move this scale to 0. And there's a line at the top, or wherever your line is, set it to 0. Now I can move the weight and add the correct weight downforce. So in this case we have 1.75 grams. So we now turn the weight and we're up to 1.75, and then we set the bias to 1.75. The bias is always the same setting as the weight. Put that back in there. That's it. That is basic setting up for, you know, most straightforward turntables. Okay, that's good. If you want to get any other tips, look at my channel. I've got 40 years experience of messing with hi-fi. Okay, that's it. Thank you, bye.